Now let's talk about a realistic cost of a rent-to-own home in the Dallas-Fort Worth area of Texas. The realistic costs are going to be, you're going to have your price, your monthly rental for the first year or two is going to be higher, most likely, than a rental price for a comparable house or apartment that you're renting. Why? Because renting, at least now, with the interest rates being higher, is cheaper than purchasing. However, your rental is not comparable to your mortgage payments. You need to demonstrate to your lender, future lender, that you can make higher payment that you're currently making. For that reason, you cannot be renting at $1,300 and then switch to $3,700 per month payment. Just most people are not able to make that jump. So if you're going to rent a 3-bedroom, I would suggest that you were kind of budgeting for $2,300 per month in monthly payments. And then if you're looking at 4 bedrooms, then maybe $2,800 a month in monthly payments. Now, granted, in areas that are not expensive. So you cannot have a $2,300 a month rent to own in Frisco, for example. Why? Because Frisco is an expensive area and Frisco has expensive school district. Therefore, it has expensive taxes. You see, when you're renting, you're never thinking about taxes. You're never thinking about insurance on a property. And the way that it works is when you are owning, your taxes, property taxes, are defined by your district. So the better is your school district, the more expensive most likely your property taxes are going to be, the more expensive it will be to own a property in that school district. But also from a standpoint of insurance, there is many things that are going to play a role, but many of those things are like manageable. For example, age of roof. Age of a roof that's older is going to mean higher insurance, means higher monthly payments. Older building means higher monthly payments, but also different zip codes. For example, more north zip codes closer to Oklahoma border tend to get hit by hail more often. Therefore, insurance is more expensive. So the closer you are to Frisco, 380, etc., the actually more expensive it is for you to rent to own because of the higher insurance, if nothing else. So that's part 2 of my conversation.